Hello everybody, this is Chris with marketingintelligencem.com, and on today's video I'm really excited to show you a great way on how you can make $75 per hour with Google. Google's research surveys is a wonderful way I discovered a few days ago on how you can use it, apply and become a member of those surveys and earn $75 per hour. No technical knowledge needed, no very technical stuff, just a computer and internet connection, and you can go make some money. Before we go ahead and start this video, I would like to ask you to click the link below this video in order to see my #1 recommendation on how you can make money online. That's why you're watching this video, because you are looking to make some extra cash to pay the bills like everybody else. And as always, if you do like the video, please go ahead and click the subscribe button, hit the like at the end of this video if you find this information useful, in order for me to improve and for you as well to see when my next video is up with another great way of making money online. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and start this video. One second, there we go. All right, so this is a program that I found with Google Research Experience. This is called what Google uses is actually, here it says Google User Experiences works hard to understand our users in order to create the best product experiences. So pretty much this is a Google survey program that you are able to apply, and Google takes feedback from people from all around the world in order to improve on their product experiences. Guys, this is very nice. What I like is that you don't need any technical experience or anything like that. So let me show you what I mean. What kind of people are you looking for? Well, all kinds. You don't need to be a Google user, computer expert, or technology enthusiast to sign up. We like to talk to everyone over the age of 18 or whoever uses the internet in any way. Great, this is what we're looking for, right? Nothing to be too complicated, nothing to be taking too much time to understand. You just need a computer, just need to be able to access the internet and start doing this. It's a very, very great way, guys, to do so, very easy. And here it says step by step on how you can go ahead and participate on these studies. And a very important question is how much money you can make out of this. You on the FAQ, on the frequently asked questions, you will not be able to find this. It used to be here, but under the roundup or search engine, you can see that people feedback. It says that they can earn up to $75 with Google Research Survey, which is great. And yes, it depends on the kind of the study. $75 per hour, and you start making money out of it. Very easily. The only thing you need to do, guys, is to hit the sign up button and follow the steps. Let me show you really quick how you can do this. You follow down this page on the language you prefer to do so. Registration takes about 5 minutes to do so. Let me walk you through on how you can do it. Click next. All right, based on the country you are located, you just choose a country. Alright, my country is not here, so I click other. Next, you make sure that you just apply and click the country and the options they are best match of you. On which of these languages are you comfortable providing the feedback? English, and then again you choose the language is best for you. Next, you place here I don't know, the area code of your town. Athens, age group 31 to 35, first name Chris, marketing, Alright. Okay. And you proceed. mail, all that. You keep scrolling down. In which of the following ways you would like to participate in the studies? I'm willing to visit a nearby Google office if you have one. I'm willing to participate in a study remotely. Yes. I'm willing to have a Google officer come to visit me. It depends on the country. I'm willing to complete online surveys. Yes, on these two. This is what we like to do. Do you have any of the following connections to Google's Mac? Any that apply? I currently work at Google. I worked at Google in the past. I have an immediate family member who works on Google. I have close friends on Google's, and so on. None of these above apply. Okay, if you have any disability, please mark anything that it is. Maybe apply, visual impatient, motor impairment, none of the above for me. Next. And then it says here, if you agree with the below terms, you just click the agree, proceed, and there you go. Click below to continue to start and survey at any time. And you click next, and this is it, guys. You just go ahead, you start the program, you apply for it. It will take a couple of days to contact you on the different, on the email you provided. Maybe they give you a call to further ask you, and you start from there. This is it. Very nice way, very friendly way, no experience needed. You're working for Google. Money starts coming, you get paid. It's Google, at the end of the day, definitely they will pay you. So this is a way I wanted to show you today. This is a very nice method that you can start making up to $75 per hour. And if you did like what you see today, I will appreciate if you can hit the subscribe and like button. And also I would like to ask you to click again the link below this video in order to see my #1 recommendation. All the links related to this video is again located below on the description, and this is it. I hope you enjoyed my video and stay tuned for the next one. Thank you guys. Have an amazing day ahead. Thank you so much.